alloy wheels, give you a close up there. The car's in excellent condition, both bodywork, paintwork and the interior. Let's take a look inside, you've got plenty of features. You'll see Bluetooth connectivity there. We take a look at the in-car entertainment. You've got this great 7-inch colour touchscreen which features satellite navigation. It's powered by Garmin. DAB digital radio. You've got smartphone link which allows you to use apps such as WhatsApp and Spotify to play your music. You've also got Bluetooth connectivity, but this will also load up your phone book and features voice command. Underneath, climate control with air conditioning. Underneath that you've got USB charging point and auxiliary port. Plenty of handy storage points also. You've got 3 seats, 2 of which with ISOFIX for children's car seats. Again, like the exterior, the interior is in great condition. You see good legroom for passengers there. The vehicle also has the accessory of the rear spoiler fitted. This vehicle was sold by ourselves from new.